Today we're putting aftermarket Vance Hines exhaust pipes on the Triumph Speedmaster. Here are the original pipes, fairly easy to take them off. There's a bolt here in the back, and then there's a smaller bolt here in the middle connecting it to the header pipe, and there's the clamp underneath that connects it to the catalytic converter. You just take your time and mount it. It's fairly easy. And here we have the original pipes taken off. It is a rather nice sounding sound system, this OEM from Triumph. The subtle, gentle, deep note. I just like something with a bit more rumble to it. And that's why I chose the Vance Hines, which is also part of the accessory catalog from Triumph. And here we have them, the Vance Hines. Look quite similar to the original ones, actually. Really top quality item, and more or less just a plug and play replacement. One thing you need to move over is this rubber grommet for the side kickstand. You just pull it out and place it on the Vance Hines instead, and you're ready to install it in the garage. And here we have them installed on the bike. They do look really nice, I think. But of course, the whole idea is the sound, so we'll listen to that in just a few minutes. One thing I like to do when having touched the pipe and when the chrome is all new, I like to degrease it thoroughly, make sure that there are no stains that rather stick to it semi-permanently once it heats up. So just make sure that you give it a good and thorough wipe down before starting and letting them heat. When I start the engine, there'll be a comparison between the sound with the Vance Hines exhaust pipes and the original pipes, so you can hear the difference. So getting ready to start up. Please enjoy the sound, and thank you for watching this video.